been a while since I've done a video, and I got a project for this morning. When these ramps need to be modified because none of our cars will go up on them without the front bumper dragging. So I've got two pairs of ramps. What I'm going to do is modify them to basically make like a home version of race ramps, which are lower profile but longer, so you can get lowered cars up on them. And we're gonna get started on that. So let's make some noise. Speed square. Alright, we've got our two short and modified ramps here. Just ignore how crappy the welding is. I've got this cheap little Harbor Freight flux core welder, and it does perfectly fine for just this rough stuff at the house. All I gotta do is plug it in and pull the trigger. So no comments on crappy flux core welding, just is what it is. So now these ramps, we're going to leave them the standard height at the back, but we're going to modify the ramp angle so that it matches up with the ramps I've already modified. So let's get started on that. It's pretty hacked together, but I think it's gonna work. Neat feature is I put in this hinge and pin here, so what I can do is separate the two ramps so I can carry them separately, and then they can just piece together. So that makes it a little bit easier. Look how awesome those welds turned out. That's beautiful. Yeah, I was in a hurry. So let me show you how that works. So yeah, a little bit of cleaning up to do right there, but I think that's gonna work. So I just gotta go do the other one.